everyone, welcome to part 139 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are getting the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will work on the users orders, and in the last video we have seen that we able to place the COD order, and now in this video we are going to work on the user orders. Means the user can able to user can able to see his order after the order placement. So we are going to display the user orders in the user account, in the my account of the user. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in this video. So first of all, we are going to place the COD order by the user once again. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to log in with one of the email account that we have logged in with last time. Okay, so I'm going to log in here, customer login. So first of all, I'm going to log in with the user account 123456 password, and okay, so I'm going to place one order here, and we'll check the COD order placement that we have just completed in the last video. Okay, I'm going to add one of the product here, add to cart, view cart, and here proceed to checkout. Okay, so I will select one of the delivery address, and we'll select the cash on delivery, and we'll accept the term and condition, and we'll click on place order. Okay, you can see here the order has been placed successfully, and order number is 5 and grand total is 1200 INR. Okay, so I'm going to display one page. I'm going to make one page, going to create one page here, one blade file. Like my account, I will create my orders, in which the user orders will get displayed. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to add here my orders. So in header blade file, I'm going to add it, header blade file at the front. Okay, so here I will quickly add, after my account I will add my orders. Okay, so here I'm going to add my orders, user orders. Okay, fine. Now after this, we are going to add its route, and we are going to add here in orders. So I'm going to check where we have that COD order placement. After that, we are going to add this one as well. So here, after this one, I am going to add here the user order route. Okay, users orders, and here I will make it get route as well, route get, and we'll make it orders, and I will create new controller here, order controller. I'm going to create at the front, and I will make it orders function in that. Okay, so I'm going to create the order controller. So I will go to my XAMPP folder, and this is my project. Right click in Mac, I need to do it like this. You know how to run, how to create the controller. Okay, if you are in Windows, you know what to do. You need to run your artisan command in Windows. Okay, I am in Mac. I am creating my artisan command here. Yeah, PHP artisan make controller. So I'm going to create here controller in the front folder, because we are working in the front, order controller. Okay, so this controller I am going to make. So I'm going to check here, going to open this order controller here. Okay, in this controller I'm going to create the function now, and the function I'm going to create like public function orders. This is the function that I'm going to create, and here I'm going to fetch all the orders, and that I will fetch from the current user ID that who is logged in. Okay, so I will fetch all the orders of the current user ID. I will check with the user ID here, and auth user ID, the user ID who is logged in. So we always have we always check from the auth. Okay, so that we can check here, and we are going to display the last order on the top. Okay, order by, we are going to use ID descending, Okay, so last order we will display at the top of the page, and we are going to display it in two array. Okay, so we will convert it to array, and here we are going to check once with Didi that orders, user orders are coming here or not. Okay, so we are going to check here. I will open here, I will refresh it once, and here you can see my orders are is here. Okay, you can see my orders link, so I will click on my orders, but here some issue is coming. I need to see here we have given the link user orders. Okay, so we can either give the user orders or we can simply give the orders here. If you want to give the orders, then we can remove from there. Otherwise we can make its route like user slash orders, because here we have created all the routes like user slash login register, user slash register. So it is better if you will do it like this, user slash orders, because we have the vendors also. So it will be fine like if you will give here user, and in the case of vendor we can give the vendor slash something. Okay, so that we can separate the vendors with the user. So user slash orders route we can give, and here refresh. And okay, we need to add here the model, use app models order. So also we need to add auth here, use auth, as we are fetching the user id from auth. And here you can see that we able to get the array of the orders that have been placed by the user, this one that we are logged in with. Okay, so we able to display the 1 2 3 4. So there are many orders we have placed with this user id. See, this time we have placed one order, but earlier we have placed 2 3 orders with this id. Okay, so every time we are placing the order with this user id, so many orders are there, so that we are going to display in my orders page of the user. Okay, so now we can continue. And so one more thing we are going to do here, we are going to create the relation between orders and orders products. Okay, so this relation is necessary because we are not only going to show the order details, we are also going to show the order product details as well. Okay, so here the relation between the orders, so one order can have the multiple products. Here you can see we have the two tables here, orders as well as the ordered underscore products. So one order can have the multiple products. Okay, here you can see we have the another table, order underscore products, and here you can see we have the multiple products, like order id 1 is having two products, order id 2 is having two products. Okay, so one order can have the multiple products. So we are going to define the has many relation between the order and the order underscore products. So that relation we are going to add under the order model. Okay, so here we are going to add that relation, public function order underscore products. So here I'm going to create this function. So this function we have added. Now we have added. Now we are going to do like a return dollar this has many. I'm going to make has many relation, and here see we are going to see define that app model here, orders product. Okay, orders product. And after this wait, here we will mention order id. Okay, so fine. So one order can have the multiple orders product. Okay, has many or products. Okay, so one order can has many products. So this is the relation between the orders and the orders underscore products. And What is the foreign key here? Here is it is defined by the order underscore id, means this column is there in the order underscore products table. Okay, so this relation we have defined here, and this relation we are going to use in the here we are going to use here with our orders function. Okay, so we are going to add this relation straight away after here. Okay, we are going to do it like this. Fine. So now we are going to check once again. I'm going to refresh here. Now we have that relation. Okay, so it is saying a model order product. So we need to see what is the model, or orders product is the model. That is fine. Orders product is the model, and we are going to see, going to do it like this. Orders product, I'm going to add the orders product model here. Now I'm going to refresh it once again. Okay, but still it is saying that it does not able to find that orders product, but it's already there, orders product. We need to see why. uh, okay, so actually here is the issue. We need here models, it is not model, it is models. Okay, so that's why this is coming. Okay, now you can see that we have the order products with every order. Okay, so this order details is coming, and order products details is also coming along with the order. Here you can see the order details is coming, and order products details is also coming along with the order. And see, if there are two products in one order, then the two products will get defined. And here you can see that two products are there in the order id 1. You can see there are two products, and the two products, first product and the second products. Okay, so this one is defined, and the second order id also, and this one is the second order id. Here also you can see the two product, this one first and this one second. So we have the arrays of the products as well. Okay, so now we are getting the complete order details that we are going to use. Okay, so now we are going to create the blade file. First of all, we will complete our here I'm going to remove this one we have already seen. Now I'm going to return this to the blade file that we are going to create. Return view inside front. We are going to create one orders folder, and inside orders folder we are going to create one orders blade file. Okay, and this order details we are going to send with compact orders. We are going to send here. Okay, like this. Fine. So now this one orders blade file, I'm going to open orders blade file. Okay, so we are going to create that blade file inside ecom 9, resources, views, and here inside front. Okay, so here we are going to create the orders folder, and inside folder orders folder we are going to create one orders.blade.php file. And in Mac we need to create the file like this: touch orders.blade.php. Okay, so this is the file we have created inside the orders folder. If you are in window, you can straight away go inside the folder and can create that file, orders.blade.php. Okay, so the file has been created. Now we can open that file, orders.blade.php. We need to get the design from some other page. So simple design we are having, like in thanks page that we have recently created. We can copy this page and we'll paste it here, and we'll remove here product at the top, and we'll make it like orders. I'm going to mention here the orders, and here we are going to remove this part, and we are going to add the table here for displaying all the orders that the user has placed. Okay, so after container row, and this one also we can remove here. We can simply create okay, we can remove, and we can simply create the table, bootstrap table here, like we have in the admin panel inside table. And here we can add the classes, bootstrap classes, like we can add here table and table strip, table and table border. You can create your own table. Okay, bordered or borderless, we can check. Okay, so here we are going to add all the columns that we want to display. Like in tr, we are going to display all the columns. And the first one is the th column. We are going to display order id like this. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first one, this one, and after that order products, order products. Okay, so after that payment method, and we're going to display the grand total as well. And after that we're going to display the order date. Okay, we will mention here created on. So we're going to close here tr, and now we will add the for each loop to display all the orders that the user has created, user has placed. Okay, like this. Then and for each. Now here once again we are going to display all the see data of the order. Okay, first one is td here. Okay, first of all I'm going to display it like this. Dollar order id. First of all, order id will come up here. We're going to do it like this. Okay, so the next one is the order products. Okay, so means we are going to display here the product codes for that order, so that's why we have fetched, so that we are going to display. Okay, no issue. And after that we are going to display the payment method. First straight away things we are going to mention here, payment method. And after that we are going to display the grand total. Grand total is coming like this. Okay, and after that we are going to show the created on date, created at. Okay, so I'm going to check here, going to refresh here. So there is some error is coming in because here we are not using the object, we are using the arrays, so that's why these errors are coming. So we are going to do it like this. So now we are going to check once again, and now you can see able to see the order details. Okay, so these are the details and order products, and here created on date is not coming. We need to convert this date here, convert to date time format. Okay, better format in php, we need to convert this one. We need to see how to convert this. Okay, simple, very simple way to convert it. Okay, we can simply convert it here like this one, mentioning it, and this one we are going to use like this. Okay, so now we are going to check here. Now it will come in a better format, and here you can see now it is the proper format, year, month and date along with the time. Okay, so this is the same format that MySQL database use. Here you can see the MySQL database also use the same format. Okay, so now order products, here we are going to show the product codes, and for that you need to check once that what is coming in our data. Okay, for displaying the data, there is always the better idea that you can debug your code like this. Open the two pages side by side, so that you can have the data here, and one page you can have the details. Okay, so I'm going to comment this one once again like this, and now here I am going to display the tables. Okay, so now you can check here like what data is coming here. Order underscore products are coming inside the order underscore products. So we want to display here the product code, so that we can just fetch from the order underscore product. So we require the for each loop here. Inside for each loop we able to fetch the product code. Okay, so this is the way that we can able to do it. So here what we are going to do, we are going to add here the for each loop. Okay, at the rate of for each. So one more for each loop we are adding, and this time we are adding because it's coming under the order underscore products are coming under this one as dollar product. Okay, so here we will end it as well, and inside this we are going to display the those like dollar product, those codes we are going to display, product underscore code, like this. Okay, so now we are going to check here, we are going to refresh here, and here you can see the product details are also coming. Okay, you can see here. So we can add here the break as well, so that it will come in 2 lines. Okay, so we can refresh here. Now see, it is coming fine. Or you can just add the comma if you want. Okay, anything, whatever you like. So there are two product codes here, and there is only one product code in the sum of the orders. So this is the main details of the orders that the user have been placed, that the user placed. And here the orders will come. Okay, user orders, we can my orders. Okay, my orders page, this is the my orders page, like my account, we have the my account. Okay, and here the my orders in the my account page as well, we must mention there my account. Okay, same thing that we have mentioned in the links. My account, it looks better like my account. And if we will go to the my orders, then here the my orders will come. Okay, home orders. Okay, like this. So in the next video we are going to display the order details, in which we are going to show the delivery address as well, along with the item complete details. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.